What is happening, y'all? It's your boy AJ. I'm back again, guys. We are back with another quick video. Thank you guys for watching the video. For all of you that like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. But yes, it is another beautiful day here in the Bay. And I actually wanted to shoot this video today because I noticed about a week ago that one of my wiper blades, this one actually right here in particular, it had a protruding piece of little, I don't know what is this. I'm guessing this is like steel or something, or it had a protruding piece of metal coming out of it. So it was actually pretty bad on this side. It was protruding so far out to the pillar that if I would have probably used my wiper blades, it would have scraped my A pillar. So thankfully I actually caught it. But as you can see here, this is, I mean, that's bad. So this obviously needs replacing. This one is not so bad, but yeah, I mean, you might as well replace both, right? Why would I replace one? So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. It's actually been quite nice here in the Bay. Can't complain. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. It was nice yesterday, it's nice today. We're gonna get some rain tomorrow, so I'm just in time to swap these out so that, yeah, I'm all good for the rainy season and for any other rain that we get. So I'm gonna take you guys through the steps of just swapping out these wiper blades. We'll walk over to my car real quick and open it up. So we've got two new blades. These are just, I'll put these in the description. I got these off Amazon. They're pretty cheap, but they're Rupa. Again, I've got some microfiber towels as well, so that when we put the blades up, we can set them on the actual microfiber towel, because you don't want to set the blades on your windshield. And yeah, this is not like a little, Toyota or Honda Civic, guys, which, those cars kind of allow you just to lift the blades like right off of the windshield. You can't do that with this car, because if you try, you're going to pretty much hit your hood every single time. So you're going to need to go in the car. I'll show you guys exactly just how to get the blades in more of an auxiliary position so that you can actually change them. And it's very simple. You just adjust the wiper blade module, put it in the mist function, and just lift it up. But I'll show you guys exactly what to do step by step. And so yeah, it's enough talking, guys. Let's get right into it. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're back in the cockpit now. I have the car turned on to the point where you can use the wiper blades. As I told you guys, you cannot lift these blades right off of the windshield. So we need to get these blades standing still, at least vertical, in an auxiliary position so that we can actually replace them. So if your car's on, just make sure that you can actually use your blades. Push it down, push it up, make sure they're working. Now turn your car off, okay? Now once you turn your car off, you're gonna wanna go ahead and lift it up. Now they will stay. So you just lift it up just like this, that's all. You're just lifting it up and they'll stay. Here, I'll show you guys again, just in case you missed it. So blades can move freely, right? Got them moving fast. Turn them off, all right? Turn the car off, okay? Lift this up, keep it up. Now we're in auxiliary position, okay? Now we're ready. Now let's go and get outside of the car and change these. All right, guys, so we are back. Now, there are two different sizes, obviously, for our wiper blades here. There's gonna be a much larger one here, and there's gonna be a much shorter one here. As far as the sizes of these, let me see. 24-inch and 20-inch. So these are J-hook style wiper blades, okay? Now there's a lot of different types of wiper blades out there, but if you do end up getting some J-hook style wiper blades, I'll show you guys how to take these off real quick. So if you are gonna go ahead and take these off, there's going to, first of all, make sure you have these in like the wiper blade mode or auxiliary position where you can access them very easily. And then once you access the blade, there will be a button down here. As you can see, a little gray button right here. It's a little tab. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and press down on that button. And while you're pressing down on that button, you're gonna go ahead and push down at the same time simultaneously on the wiper blade, and it will come off. So I'm going to actually put, because I can't do this while I need multiple hands. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my camera inside the car and just film myself doing it for you. So give me a second. All right, guys, so remember, make sure you lay out your microfiber that you see right here and go ahead and click down on that gray button and pull the wiper blade downwards. Don't push it upwards, pull it downwards towards you. Now watch. Just that simple. All right, we're gonna go do the small blade now as well. All right, now we have that really terrible, dingy, broken second blade right here off of the car. Right, guys? If you see this, if your wiper blade looks like that, it means you need to change it, okay? All right, guys. Once you have your wipers off, as I said, just as a precaution, you can go ahead and put some microfibers here just in case you decide to lay these blades down. Or if you decide to keep one on, whatever you want to do, just to make sure that your windshield's nice and free of cracks. Now, I'm going to take this large wiper right here. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do, at least for this, is just the reverse step that you did before. So, you know, before the blade was on and we pressed a button down here to pull it down. And once we were able to pull it down, we could manipulate the blade and wiggle it off. So what we'll do here is very similar. We'll start with the blade horizontally like this. I'll go ahead and plop it down like that. Now, once I've got it plopped down like that, I can twist it. I can now manipulate it. I can pull it down. So now it's actually in place. Now you don't want to pull it down. You want to pull it up, since we pulled it down to get it off. So pull it up. So as you can see, it's fully on the blade now. You can pull it down, you can pull it up, but pull it up. Then once you've pulled it up, you can go ahead and lock this. There's gonna be a piece right here that you can lock. Boom, now you're done. If you need to remove this again, you can go ahead and freely remove this just based on the mechanism that you see here, right? But once you're done, you can lay it down and boom, all complete. Now we'll go ahead and do the smaller blade as well. And I'll show you what that looks like. All right, guys, same story with the smaller blade. It's going to come closed like this. What you're gonna wanna do is go ahead, open it up. You can hold this down while you open it up. Place this on top just like this. Push it down. Now, previously, we dropped it down. We're gonna go ahead and lift it up. Once we've lifted it up, the blade's back in place. And we can go ahead and place a full lift on it, so it's fully in place now. And once you know it's fully in place, you're going to know that because you're going to see the clearance for this locking mechanism right here. And once you're fully pulled up in place, you'll go ahead and lock that down just like that. There you go. Wiper blades are done. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. And make sure you hit the bell so you're notified when I drop more content. And as always, thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.